Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete a phone number from your Facebook. Please subscribe to our channel. Also leave your likes and write your comments after watching the video. So, let us get started with you. First, we open Facebook. Then at the bottom we click on the menu. Then at the top we click on the gear to go to Settings and Privacy. And here we go to the Meta Account Center at the very top. Next, we select Personal Information, Contact Information. And here we'll have all sorts of information that's attached to our Facebook account. This can be Gmail emails, also phone numbers. As you can see, I have 3 emails and 1 phone number here. And if you want to delete the phone number, then you need to click on it. And then at the bottom you click on Delete Phone. At the top you can see all the accounts that are tied to that phone number on Facebook and on Instagram. So, you click Delete Phone. And as you can see, here we are warned that in order to delete this phone number, we need to deactivate two-factor authentication to begin with, because otherwise we're going to lose all of our accounts. To do that, we log back out. And at this point, when we have our contact information open, we can, what can we do? We can add a new contact at the bottom. Choose to add a cell phone. And then you, for example, choose which of the accounts you want to attach to the phone number. And then you enter the new phone number that you would like to use for your Facebook page. Once you've entered it and saved it, you'll have 2 phone numbers here now, and you can delete your old phone number with no problem. If you want to just delete the phone number completely, then you'll need to go to the Meta Account Center back, then select Password Security. Two-factor authentication. Choose your Facebook page. As you can see, I'm currently being asked for a two-factor authentication password, and I'm doing it through a special Google app. If you have, at this point, have the same two-factor authentication to log in to Facebook. Then you will need to enter the password that will come to you by SMS, let's say, to your phone number or special applications, as I have. And then you just have to go to your phone number. And enable two-factor authentication, so that later you can go back to your contact information and delete your phone number. That's the way to delete your phone number from Facebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write comments for sure, and see you soon.